Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudinku Foodies. Looking for a healthy, easy snack? These blueberry granola bars are just what you need. Made with fresh blueberries, oats and dates, this recipe uses only 5 ingredients. These delicious bars are perfect for a quick snack or breakfast on the go. So if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. Into a food processor or blender, add 1 cup of fresh blueberries and half cup of tightly packed, roughly chopped dates. Give it a good blend till everything is well combined. Transfer this mixture to a large bowl. Add half cup of unsweetened peanut butter or any nut butter you like. Give it a good mix. Add 2 cups of oats and give it a good mix one more time till everything is well combined. Now transfer this mixture to a parchment paper lined square pan. Top it up with some chopped nuts. I'm using almonds and pistachios. Press the toppings gently into the mixture. And it's ready to go into the oven. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. And let it cool completely. Once cooled, cut it into bars. These blueberry granola bars are nutritious, delicious, and super satisfying. Perfect for lunch boxes, pre or post workout snacks, or anytime you need a quick energy boost. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you have never tried blueberry granola bars, you should definitely give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.